Namaskar, hello, welcome to Mo Prints. You are watching a channel by Deboshri Tiwari and I am behalf of Mo Prints, Kolkata. Our address is 6E Kiatola Road, Kolkata 29 and our WhatsApp number is 98315756441. Today's episode is based on Tasar silk sarees. 5 special Tasar silk sarees लेके आई हूँ. Those who are obsessed with pure Tasar silk saree and handcrafted one, this episode for only those ladies. This is a beautiful Tasar silk saree. All sarees are beautiful its own way, but this saree is really special to me because एक ही साड़ी पे जब बहुत सारा layers after layers काम होता है, वो साड़ी का जो रूप रंग और रंगत होता है वो एकदम different हो जाते हैं. Let me show this beautiful Tasar silk saree so that you can understand the beauty of it. The saree is done firstly with hand block print and dye. So this is the base of the saree. And यहाँ पे जो काम आप देख रहे हो, this is a particularly done with hand embroidery. This is the back side of the sari. You can see how neatly the embroidery has been done on the sari. This is the pallu area of the sari where you can see the merge of hand block print and hand embroidery, and that's how the whole sari looks like. Silk mark certified. This Tasar silk is for you, my ladies. In case you want to take the sari, please have a look, take a quick decision and send the screenshot of your preference to us to know the price and availability. This is how the sari is, drapes well, and this sari you can go for your any kind of special occasion. This is how the sari looks like, and of course the sari comes along with a meter blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari, comes along with beautiful hand block print and embroidery border. Let me show the sari again so that you can understand how the sari looks like. The first sari for the day, which can take your breath away. The second sari of the day is having a special effect. It has a pitchwai work throughout the sari. This is a pure Tasar silk sari, silk mark certified. To know the price and availability, please contact with us to the given number 9831575641. Price on request. This is the pallu area of the sari. पिछवाई का जो खासियत है वो है कथा. इस पे भी कथा, कृष्ण कथा depicted हुआ है. Let me show this beautiful artwork throughout the sari. Now the entire sari for you, my ladies. This is how the sari is. इसका जो रंग है, जो रूप है, really very classy and beautiful. If you don't have this kind of color in your wardrobe and you don't have this kind of artwork, you should go for it because it's pure and original one. This is how the sari looks like. Pure Tasar silk sari with pitchwai work. Comes along with a meter blouse piece. Blouse piece is this one where you can see pitchwai motif throughout the blouse piece. And the sari is just front of you with the beautiful, beautiful Krishna Katha. The next one, moving to the next sari, which is very special to me, which is having white and black composition. A white and black combination. Composition wise, this is also very ethnic, very chic and also very classy. Black and white lover can look at this sari. Please have a look. This beautiful mulberry silk sari. This is the pallu area of the sari. Interesting part of the sari is the pallu area where you can see mostly it is black in color. Top of that, the white color hand block print you are viewing. Now the whole sari where you can see the zameen is classy white and top of that the composition made with black color. It's a complete hand block printed mulberry katan silk sari, classy, ethnic, unique and universal. Draping the sari for your knowledge. In case you like to take the sari, please have a look, take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll tell availability and the price. This sari is for you, my beautiful clients, my beautiful extended family. 9831575641 is the number and our address is 6E Keatola Road, Kolkata 29. Moving to the next sari, which is the last sari for the day. Second last sari, last but not the least. साड़ी का सिलसिला जारी रहेगा हम लोगों के साथ और अच्छी वाली साड़ियाँ अगर आपको देखनी है तो you have to continue viewing our channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. आप लोगों को अच्छा लगता है हम लोगों का जो डिज़ाइन है, जो साड़ियाँ है, but subscription is a must to get all notification and latest update. Let me show this beautiful mulberry katan silk sari. This is soft in nature and very, very unique. This sari is also. Look at the beautiful color and the brick design done on the sari. This is the pallu area of the sari, export quality mulberry katan silk sari just front of you my ladies. These saris are very special, high quality and of course class apart. That's how you can drape the sari, pallu area and the overall design of it. Blouse piece is in continuation. Take a screenshot, send it to us to know the price and availability. Once again, our number is 9831575641 and address is 6E Keatola Road, Kolkata 29. Now the showstopper, last sari. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, हमेशा मैं बोलती हूँ लास्ट नहीं होता है, आज के लिए दिस इज़ द लास्ट साड़ी. ब्यूटिफुल वन. इसका जो कलर है आइवरी वाइट कलर. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज़ वेरी एथनिक वन. बहुत ही सुंदर एक साड़ी है, क्लासिक डिज़ाइन. दिस इज़ द पल्लू एरिया ऑफ द साड़ी विच इज़ हैविंग really very classic evergreen look. Hand block printed one, Tasar silk sari with silk mark. This is the design of the sari, pallu area of it, and of course it comes along with mustard yellow color blouse piece. See the ethnicity of the sari and brightness comes along with this bright mustard yellow color with ivory white. That's how the sari is. Classic, unique, universal and of course everlasting. Sustainable material तसर सिल्क साड़ी का आज वीडियो मैं बनाई एंड आप लोगों को अगर अच्छा लगे तो आप आ सकते हैं. 6E केयातला रोड, कोलकाता 29 is the destination of Mo Prints. It's very close to Gariyahat Gold Park, and if you want to purchase online, doesn't matter where you are, abroad or in India or in Kolkata, of course you can purchase. Please contact to the number 9831575641. This is our WhatsApp number. We are always ready to help you out and guide you. Thank you so much for viewing our channel. देखते रहिए मो प्रिंट्स, मोनेर मतो साड़ी जो बनाए आपको संपूर्ण नारी.